a fucking airplane.
Right. Let's go! Let's go! Woo!
What are your guys' names?
Sebastian.
Gabor.
You trust me to take you out of an airplane?
Fuck yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
You don't need any help. Suicide.
Anything you want to say to anybody that might watch this video?
We're doing it.
Live like there is no tomorrow.
Yeah,
100 miles an hour, hair on fire.
You only live once. Let's go.
That's it. YOLO.
Woo!
All right. Well, we're going to go up really high, come down really fast. Does that sound like a plan?
That's awesome.
All right, let's go get some.
All right.
High five, high five.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Woo! We made it to the airplane. Ready to get in, get up, get out of this bird. Y'all have some fun?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Crazy. High five. High five.
Yeah, buddy. Bring it back. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Give me a right turn. Left arm up. Right arm down all the way. Hold it. Oh, yeah. Arms up. Yeah. All right. Wow. Give me a left turn all the way down. How do you feel?
Oh, amazing, amazing.
Yeah. Skydiving! Yeah, how do you feel?
Oh man,
Fucking awesome.
amazing, amazing, amazing. We did it, we did it!
Yeah, you did. What was your favorite part?
Man,
The
just
free fall.
yes, yes. I agree.
It's unlike anything else, right?
Nope.
100 miles an hour, hair on fire, baby.
We were cruising.
Yes, sir, we were. Oh, no.
Would you do it again?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
Absolutely.
100%, yes.
Well, you guys are awesome up there. Thank you for coming out. Skydive, Colorado Springs.
Right
High
on,
fives, my
man.
Right on,
dudes.
man.
You guys are
Thanks,
rock stars. Yeah.